Hello guys, I am Sandeep Kumar Sinha. Welcome back once again to my channel with a new topic. Today I will discuss how PPC, that is production possibility curve, shifts or rotates. The concept of PPC has already been discussed in my previous video, whose description is given in the I button given on the top. Before we start, let's have the meaning of the term shift and rotation of PPC. What is the meaning of shift? Shift means total shift to the right or to the left. Shift of PPC takes place when an economy can produce more or less of both the goods due to change in the volume of resources or state of technology. Means if whenever there is a change in either of the two, that is volume of resources or the state of technology, then there would be increase or decrease in both the goods at the same time. That is, economy can produce more or less of both, and that is called the shift of production possibility curve. Whenever there is a rightward shift, that simply indicates that the economy can produce more, that is productive capacity of the economy will increase, and whenever there is a leftward shift, it simply indicates a decrease in the productive capacity, that is economy can produce less of both the goods at that same time. Now what is the meaning of rotation? Rotation of PPC takes place when an economy can produce more or less of only one good due to change in the volume of resources or state of technology. Means whenever there is increase or decrease in the volume of resources, whenever there is an advancement or degradation in the state of technology, and due to that, if there is an increase in the output of only one commodity and the output of second commodity remains unchanged, then the PPC will rotate on any of the two axes, that is x-axis or y-axis, about a point. Now the question arises, what are those factors on which the shift or rotation of production possibility curve depends? So there are two factors. Number one is the volume of available resources, and the second factor, that is called state of technology, that was also taken to be constant, that is assumed to be constant during the explanation of the production possibility curve. If there is a change in any of the two or both, then only the shift or rotation of PPC will take place. Now let's discuss all those cases related to shift and rotation of PPC one by one. Now the first case is here, that is advancement of technology of both the goods, and or there is a growth of resources, means volume of available resources in the economy increases. So how this volume of resources will increase? It has been assumed that there is full employment of resources, no surplus resource factor in the economy. Then how this increase can be effected? Due to two factors. Number one, if there is a qualitative change, that simply happens due to simply increase in the status of health conditions or increase in the skill due to, that is education and training, that is called as qualitative changes in the number of resources. And if there are certain resources which are simply waste land or waste resources, if those resources are converted into productive resources, then only these can be used during production of goods and services, and then it is also termed as increase in the number of resources. Then in this situation, what will happen? The economy can produce more of both the goods, and the PPC will shift rightwards, indicating an increase in the productive capacity of the economy. This is the AF, is the original PPC. Now due to any of the two changes, the PPC is shifting to the right part. Shifting right simply indicates that there is an increase in the productive capacity of the economy, means economy is now producing FF dash more of commodity X and AA dash more of commodity Y. Now the second condition is, if there is degradation of technology of both the goods, or the second, that is there is a decrease in the volume of resources, then in both the situations the economy can produce less of both the goods and the PPC shifts leftward, indicating a decrease in the productive capacity. Means PPC would shift leftward in this situation whenever there is a decrease in the state of technology or in decrease in the volume of total resources in the economy. Now look at the figure here. AF is the original PPC, that is production possibility curve, and due to the decrease in the volume of resources or the state of technology, the productive capacity of the economy decreases. That is, this is the decrease in the quantity of commodity X, that is FF dash, and the economy can now produce less of commodity Y by this A dash factor, and as a result now the curve is shifting leftward to A dash F dash, which simply shows that there is a decrease in the productive capacity of the economy and the economy can produce less of both the commodities. One point here it is worth mentioning: if there is a situation of unemployment in the economy, that is massive unemployment in the economy is not at the level of full employment, then in this situation there would be no decrease in the productive capacity of the economy. Productive capacity would be at the same level, no decrease in the productive capacity, and as such there would be no leftward shift of the PPC. Only result would be there that there would be a situation of underutilization of resources and the economy would operate below PPC, but there would no shift of PPC to the left part due to this situation of unemployment in the economy. Now the third condition is that whenever there is an advancement taking place in the technology of good X only, means only technology is advanced in the production of good X and no change in the state of technology of commodity Y. So in this situation what will happen? The economy will produce more of X using the same quantity of inputs. The output of the commodity Y will remain unchanged at the same level, and the PPC is said to be rotating. That is called rotation of PPC. Rotates in the anti-clockwise direction, indicating an increase in the productive capacity and only showing an increase in the units of output of commodity X. Look at this figure here. This AF is the original PPC and there is a change in the production technology of commodity X only, then the economy can produce more of commodity X only by this FF dash factor. And since there is no change in the technology of production of commodity Y, there would be no increase in the output of commodity Y, and the output of commodity Y would remain unchanged at the level that is OA, and that's why this point remaining intact on the Y axis, and the new curve is AF dash. That is the first case of rotation of PPC, when there is a change made in the one commodity only and other commodities quantity remains intact, unchanged. Now look at the fourth condition, that is advancement in the technology of commodity Y and no change in the technology of commodity X. Then in this situation what will happen? The economy can produce more of good Y only with the same quantity of inputs, where the output of good X will remain unchanged, and the PPC in this case will rotate in the clockwise directions, indicating an increase in the productive capacity. Look at the figure. AF is the original PPC, and due to the increase or advancement in the technology of commodity Y, now the economy can produce more of commodity Y, and therefore the point A shifts to A dash, but the technology of commodity X remains intact, no change. The same output would be obtained of commodity that is X, and therefore the PPC would shift in the clockwise directions, and that is the new PPC is A dash AF. Now look at the fifth one. Means whenever there is a degradation in the technology of commodity X and no change is taking place in the technology of commodity Y, then in this situation what will happen? The economy can produce less of good X only with the same quantity of inputs, but the output of commodity Y remains unchanged, and the production possibility curve in this situation also rotates in the clockwise directions, and that indicates simple that is decrease in the productive capacity of the economy. Now look at the figure here. AF is the original production possibility curve, and the technology of commodity Y remains intact, no change. Only there is a decrease in the production technology of commodity X, and therefore the economy can produce now less by this factor FF dash, causing a rotation of PPC in the clockwise directions, and the new PPC is AF dash. Means PPC has rotated in the clockwise direction, indicating a decrease in the productive capacity of the economy. Now look at the sixth condition. Whenever there is a degradation or decrease in the state of technology of production of commodity Y, and no change is recorded in the technology of production of commodity, that is X, then what would happen in this situation? The economy can produce less of commodity Y only with the same quantity of inputs, whereas the quantity of output, that is of commodity X, remains unchanged, and the PPC in this situation rotates in the anti-clockwise direction, indicating a decrease in the productive capacity of the economy. Now look at here at this figure. AF is the original PPC, and there is a change in the state of technology of production of commodity Y, which decreases, and therefore the economy will produce less of commodity A by AA dash factor, where the production technology of commodity X remaining intact, unchanged. Therefore the output of X will remain unchanged, no change, and therefore the PPC rotates in the anti-clockwise directions, stating a decrease in the productive capacity. New PPC is A dash F, that is called rotation in the anti-clockwise directions. Now the last one, if suppose there is a change in technology of both the goods at the same time. In one good it is a increase, and another good it is a decrease. Or the second condition, if there is a decrease in the production technology of one commodity and increase in the other, means if there is an increase or decrease in the technology of commodity X and decrease or increase in the technology of commodity Y, then what will happen? The first case simply shows that the technology of the production of commodity Y is decreased, that is there is a degradation in the technology of production of commodity Y, where the technology of production of commodity X has advanced, and therefore output of X would be more and output of Y would be less. The new PPC would be A dash F. That is a simple situation where the technology in the production of both the commodity changes. But suppose if the technology of production of commodity X decreases and the technology of production of commodity Y increases or advanced, then the output of Y would increase and output of X would decrease. The productive capacity would differ one than before, and that is the new curve, that is A dash F dash in the new PPC. So we learnt now the 6 conditions showing the shift and rotation of PPC in different situations. That's all about the shift and rotation of production possibility curve. See you again in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching my videos. Thank you very much.